Hey, hello guys, Arman here and I welcome you all from my channel Learning is Life. So here in this video I am going to talk about Pixalogo. So what is Pixalogo? Pixalogo is a tool by which you can create some awesome logo from your own. Before going further in the video, my request to you all, please subscribe my channel. This is my channel Learning is Life. Subscribe my channel to get future software related, tool related reviewing videos and demo videos to get instant access in your YouTube dashboard. Before going to that Pixalogo website, I am going to show you something. See, this is my Fiverr dashboard. Here you can see I am searching for a logo design service. You can see here you will get that some mouth-watering amount, modern logo designing for your company, $20, $100. Here you can see $40, $35, $1,100, $50. I will design minimalist logo within 24 hours. So here is the cost is $15. Here you can see $10. Here my question is, if you are working like a freelancing profession and if you are planning to work like a freelancer and if you are searching for a job profile by which you can start your freelancing profession, freelancing career. So here you can start with this product, this software tool by which you can do awesome logo designing from your own for different customers, for different companies who want to create your own professional logo or for your own companies, or do you want to create a logo making business idea, logo making business company. Here I am introducing with you the Pixalogo 3.0, the best logo bundle ultimate 2020, which is getting launched on 11th May. So what are you getting with that Pixalogo 3.0? 200 plus ready-made logos, 40 business categories, 1400 plus high resolution sources files like AI, EPS, PSD, SVG, JPG, PNG and PowerPoint, which can editable, which you can edit, easy to customize, video tutorial included and with commercial license also. Here are the reason why logo is important to your business. A logo makes a great first impression. Your company logo will define the brand image, your brand image. A logo can become iconic and memorable. A logo is the basis for strong branding efforts. Logos communicate your company's values. But friends, as I have told you and I have shown you the result in Fiverr, the designing logo is expensive because of the creativity process behind it. You have seen that in my Fiverr dashboard. How is the cost to create a simple logo? Research, creation of ideas, polish up the idea, create a presentation, package and deliver. Here you will spend hundreds of thousands of dollars for a logo designing. That will be a pro logo design basic also. Here you can see the amount which I have shown you in my Fiverr dashboard. So here introducing Pixalogo 3.0, helping business people create their professional logos quickly and easily. 1400 plus logo files assets which are easy to edit with AI, means vector, Photoshop, PSD file, PowerPoint, PPT file. 200 plus pro business logos provided into 40 business categories. Here you can see accounting and financial, agriculture, animal and pet, art and designing, attorney and law, automotive, business and consulting, cafe, childcare, cleaning and maintenance, communication, non-profit, computer networking, cosmetic and beauty, dating, dental, education, entertainment and art, environment, fashion, floral, food and drinks, games and recreational, home furnishing, internet, landscaping, medical and pharmaceuticals, fitness, photography, psychology, real estate, restaurant, retail, security, spa, sport, technology, travels and wedding services. Guys, here I am just scrolling this page and you will get some ideas, some business categories by which you can start making your own great professional logos. So guys, you have seen a good number of categories, business categories, where you can create your professional logo, awesome professional logo for your business or for the other business or for companies, and you can make better in your freelancing career. Not only the free logo we are providing you, but here if you purchase Pixelgo now, we have created a premium bonuses for you also. That is PowerPoint logo reveal pack, 100 social media post design, 50 Instagram ads design, 50 Instagram course design, 100 business card pack, 15 modern flyer design pack, 100 CV template design, and so on. So guys, what are you waiting for? If you are in a professional freelancing career, then please go for it. Please make the purchase and get your business in the next level. And if you are working like in Fiverr or Upwork, it's only one deal for you. Only an order from the customer, from the companies, and that's it. Because the amount for this Pixelgo 3.0 is only $17 for today only. Then just go for it. And this $17, $20, $10, $15 you can make for a single gig, for a single orders in Fiverr or Upwork. So friends, this was a video about Pixelgo 3.0 review. If you like this video, if you want to purchase this product, then click on the link given in the description below and you can grab Pixelgo 3.0 for only $17 for today only. And if you like this video, then please hit the like button, and to get my future videos, future software related reviews videos, subscribe my channel and get the bell notification button on. This is Arman signing off. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching this video. Keep learning and always keep teaching. Thank you. Bye bye.